In this video, you'll learn how to connect your phone number to Taskrabbit. This guide will cover both adding a phone number for the first time and changing an existing number. By the end, you will have successfully updated your contact information. To begin, navigate to the Taskrabbit website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, look for the account option located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Account to access your account settings. After selecting Account, you will see various options related to your profile. To add a phone number for the first time, locate the Edit button within this section. Clicking Edit will allow you to modify your account details. In the phone number field, enter your desired phone number carefully. Make sure to input the correct digits to avoid any errors. Once you have entered your phone number, look for the Save button at the bottom of the screen and click it. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your phone number has been successfully. If you need to change an existing phone number, start by logging into your account again. Click on Account in the top right corner as you did previously. This time, a verification code will be sent to your current phone number. Wait for the code to arrive and then enter it in the designated field. After entering the verification code, click Verify to confirm your identity. Once verified, look for the phone option and click on it to access the field where you can enter your new phone number. Type in the new number carefully, ensuring accuracy, and then click Save to finalize the change. You should receive a confirmation that your phone number has been updated successfully. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.